Good morning, Scavenger Nation. This is Ryan Smith, aka Ryan the Scavenger. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, another March blizzard extravaganza. Check it out. I don't want to do this. I really don't want to do this. Oh, son of a bitch. Are you frickin' kidding me? Holy shit. Oh, this is gonna be a mofo. Not looking fun, ladies and gentlemen. This is gonna suck. Out of gas. Didn't even get it halfway done. Okay, here I had a brilliant idea. We had about a 4-foot drift out in the middle of the street, so I decided I would use my truck to kind of snow plow it and knock it down. And it was an epic fail. I got stuck. Then I decided I would use some wood to try and get my truck from getting unstuck because there was no one to help me, and I failed again. Then the poor guys from Starostka tried to get around me, and they got stuck too, right next to me. So now the epic journey to get my truck unstuck and their truck unstuck. And it actually has a pretty good ending, as we'll explain here in a minute. And if you're wondering, these are security cam videos. So now we got my truck unstuck, and now we're working with Charles Hickey's grandsons and my other neighbor, Craig Farley from down the street. We're all pitching in and doing a community effort to try and get the Starostka truck unstuck as well. We got him moving, but then he immediately got stuck again. So now began another about 10-minute journey to try and get him dug out.
He's getting high centered. You got to dig it all the way down like I did.
We're trying to divide the plan of what we're going to do here. It was not fun, let me tell you. But thank goodness for Charles Hickey's grandsons and Craig Farley for coming over and helping out. Gosh, really appreciated that. And the two workers from Starostka. I had to go inside and get new shoes. My shoes got all wet from being in about 6-inch deep water down there. So I went in to change to some better boots. My feet were freezing. Okay, new boots. Let's get back at this extravaganza, scooping out the cars. Then they got their little skid steer, whatever you want to call it, to come over and help out. And oh man, that helped out a ton. And he eventually got him pushed out. And here's where the good thing started. Who would have thought that me getting my truck stuck in the middle of the street and then helping those guys get unstuck would result in the Starostka guys helping dig out my giant pile in the middle of the street. And then he cleared out all of the snow in the middle of the street. And man, that helped out tremendously. Oh my gosh, I was so excited about that, because that would have taken me another hour to clear that all out. He did it in 5 minutes. For the love of God, please don't clog up my driveway again. I have a horrible feeling that's what these fuckers are gonna do. Don't do it. Please don't fucking make it big. Thank you. Oh, thank God. I had a feeling he was gonna clog up my shit again. He's stuck right there. Not there. Oh, this is what I do not want to have happen. Look at this fucking disaster. Look at that shit. I planned out. They don't make a fucking mess. Good, good, good. I thought we were going to have a disaster there. The giant disaster that we had here an hour ago. Look at this. Thank God for these giant excavators that came through, but look at this. This is 6 foot tall of snow. We got a damn snow. Thank God they did not clog up the driveway. I was videotaping them because I did not want. Normally they put about a 2 foot high berm right here, but thank God to Starostka for helping me out. We had a total disaster right here. All right, everybody, you know the drill. Smash that like and subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great day. Keep on scavenging.